The State Art Gallery of the Cultural Affairs Department of the Government of Assam was inaugurated on 20th of May 2022 at Rabindra Bhavan, Guwahati. The renovated art gallery was restructured to cater to the modern requirement of display with professional lighting facility and improvised space for a wide range of artworks with liberal expression. The inauguration was graced by Dr Devajit Kanikar, Director of Cultural Affairs, Government of Assam, Aminul Haque, President of the Guwahati Artists Guild, Raphael Warjri, Chairman of the Riti Academy of Visual Arts, Shillong, and eminent artists Noni, Borpujari and Biren Singha of Assam. The newly renovated art gallery will be opened for exhibition shortly, and Dr Devajit Kanikar, Director of Cultural Affairs, Government of Assam, informed that it will cater to the entire northeastern states, even as priority is being considered for the local artists of Assam. The exhibition of art, titled The Pioneers, is a collection of contemporary art executed by 24 veteran artists of Assam, including Noni, Borpujari, Benu Mishra, Himanta Mishra and others.